Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this potting bench that this brand sent to me for this video, which I think it's super cool. If you're kind of like into gardening or potting, or you like to prep all your things for like putting things in the pots and plants and just getting everything ready, this could be a really good one to have. You can leave it outdoors if you want. You can put it indoors if you want. You can put it in your garage, or if you have like a winter garden or something like that, you can put it in there, or as a decoration as well. This one could be a really good thing. What I like about this one is, number one, let's talk about the assembly process. Assembly process in this one was not super bad, but I have to say that number one, you need to treat this wood carefully, because if you put too much pressure, for example, if you're using power tools and those power tools are super strong, you may damage the wood. So plan accordingly for that. You may have to do some of the things like manually and then kind of like adjust it a little bit with the power tools. But talking about the time, I think this one took me, it was just myself, and it took me, I want to say like 45 minutes, tops 45 minutes with power tools. If you have help, it could be better. But remember, just treat this carefully. Everything comes explained right here. It's super intuitive, and you're not going to have any issues with this. But then let's talk about the size of this one. This one is 44 inches wide, 18 inches deep, and 58 inches tall, talking about this section over here, of course. And what I like about this one is that comes with the shelves in case that you want to put things like, for example, of your pool, of your backyard, or things like that. You can actually use this, or put kind of like put in some soil that you're going to use for your gardening things, and then have two of this that you can remove. I mean, you can remove both if you want, but if you need to put something super big, you can remove this one on top and have more room to put everything you need. Also, I like the fact that it comes with this handle right here, as well as this one right here, which makes it to be a little bit more like farmhouse style. And then right here you're gonna find a door that you're gonna put another things on your shelves. Right here you have this shelf that you can also remove, as you can see, so that's convenient to put things like if you need like bigger things. And right here you're gonna find a magnet that you can actually see that right here comes with a metal part, so you're gonna actually be able to do this and just leave it on site without any issues. Last but not least, you're gonna find that right here you're gonna have enough room to work on your gardening, your plants, your potting, whatever you need. Right here you're gonna have everything on this top shelf. But also something super cool is that comes with hooks right here that you can actually use to hang some of your gardening stuff, for example, or just like some other things that you can rearrange in all these 3 or 4 kind of like hanging position, so you're gonna be able to put all your tools in here or on the right side. And of course comes with this top shelf that is more like a decoration one, I want to say, because it's not super big, but it works as a decoration, as you can see right there with that plant. So one more time, I think this could be really good for your gardening stuff, for your potting bench, or your hobbies, your plant hobbies, so you can have it outdoors, indoors, or just like a decoration as well. Super convenient to have, big enough. I think you have enough room to do everything you need to do, but also easy to assemble. Just remember, treat the wood carefully. That's everything I have to say. Thanks for watching. I give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you soon.